coming to check out today's video. Today's video is super exciting and it is sponsored by SAMSBEAUTY. So thank you so much, Sams, for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this new wig. So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, and make sure you're liking and sharing these videos. It really helps me out. So today this unit is from Upscale. I will leave in a little clip of me unboxing the hair. The box is really pretty and shiny. This unit is from Upscale. It's a full lace wig. It is in natural straight 12-inch and it is in the color natural. This is 100% human unprocessed hair and can be bleached out, dyed, and permed. It does come with a set parting space. I thought that this would have a little more parting, but it has a specific parting space. So let me go ahead and show you the construction of the cap. So we have two combs in the front. We have a curved part that is lace and a little bit of lace around the edge. It does come with soft lace and the lace color looks like it matches my skin tone almost perfectly. So I'm gonna try it without any lace tint spray. Lately I've been using the WigStensions lace wig spray, and if you're not familiar with that, you can just leave it in the comments and I will give you a link to where you can grab you some. This is a cute little short bob. I'm glad it's human hair because if I want to curl it or do something else to it, I definitely have that option, or if I want to straighten it. Right now it has like a little bump to it and I'm not sure how that's gonna go, so we will see. I'm rocking my In the Trap House hat. This is from Taylor Boutique. Shout out to you guys for sending me this hat and a do-rag set. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these caps, they have them in 3 different colors. You can definitely head over. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. You guys, so this is what the unit is looking like. I think this is a super cute everyday wig, especially if you want to go the human hair route but you still want to go ahead and get it from the beauty supply at a good price, and a wig that's ready to go. I literally just cut the lace off, added a little powder into the part. I didn't need to do any baby hairs, and all I did was just flat iron the wig a little bit straighter. You could easily rock this wig just straight out the pack, just like I am doing. I put a little bit of a bend in the front just to give it a little bit more, you know, character to the unit, but you don't even have to do that. This is basically a unit you can just take out the pack and go, and I love units like that. And the fact that it's human hair just makes it even better because you know it's gonna last you for a good little minute. You can wash it, you can bleach it, you can color it, and you can do all that to it so that you know it's gonna bounce back. Now, how long this wig will last, I can't really say. You guys know I'm here to just give you a show and tell of what the wig looks like straight out the pack and give you my opinion. My opinion on this one is that she's a go. You don't have to cut her into a style. She's just ready to go out the pack, and I definitely love that about this unit. So if you guys are interested in grabbing this Upscale unit, this is their 12-inch bob. I will leave all the links in the information section down below so you can definitely check it out. If you have more questions for me or anything I did not answer, definitely leave a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you. I have been doing so much better with comments, you guys. I am commenting back to every single person, so make sure you leave a comment and I will get back to you. Make sure you're following me on all my social media at Jess the Dragoness. And yeah, you guys, stay tuned every Friday. Friday. I have wig sales every Friday. So if you want to get you some discounted units, then definitely check those out on JessTheDragoness.com. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.